you want to ask it to use SSH, choose SSH when you get the link, and set up a secure connection to GitHub. Then we're going to end up pushing to what's called the main branch. But for now, let's just push to main and let's just see if things work, right? This is all we're going to do in this exercise. We're just trying to deploy. Set up GitHub now with AI's help. And then we're going to git add dot to add all the files. And then we're going to type git commit -m quote first deployment test end quote. Enter. The AI can do all this for you, by the way. If you just said, help me commit the code to GitHub, it will walk you through the steps. Then we're going to hit git push origin main, and off it goes. You're going to be sitting in GitHub now. So you've got code locally, you've got code in GitHub, so that's great. We're not done yet. Now we need to go over to Vercel. You set up a free account. Vercel, we don't need to buy a pro account just yet. We are going to set up our account, and then what we're going to do is create a first deployment. You have to connect from Vercel, you have to connect to GitHub. You choose the repository which shows up in the list. That's that. And when you choose that first deployment, you're going to need to take a screenshot of what that configuration screen looks like and give it to your AI and say, what do I need to fill in for path, the run, what do I need to fill in for all this stuff? And it will give you some advice around that. There'll be configuration settings there, but it will help you with that, so that's fine. Another thing I should add here, you will need to have your AI run a build test locally, just to make sure everything builds properly without any issues, because if it does, it can detect the issues and it can fix them. If you have some build errors, which you probably will, Vercel is going to catch that, and then it's not going to let you build the first deployment. Run a build test locally and see what happens. If you've forgotten to do that and you've already tried to deploy and you get the error, simply copy the error message and give that to AI so that it then can say, oh, okay, I see the problem. We just need to fix this. Once you get that configuration screen in Vercel sorted and you hit deploy, and if it works with no build errors, you are going to see in Vercel your little container with the address on it, something.vercel.app, and you can click on that and it will load the page. This is where in your browser you need to open up the JavaScript console, and you need to see, as you start clicking around, what's coming up in red on the right. Track these errors, take screenshots of them as you see them, and give them to your AI to say, okay, this is what I'm experiencing in production.